Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Happy New Year. How are you all doing? Join me as I make fun, yummy, delicious lunch for my whole family. Please relax and watch till the very end. Let us start with unboxing the product that we will use in today's video. This is the Topzee dual zone air fryer. This air fryer is so massive and it is so cute. If you've been watching my channel, you remember that I also unboxed their blender a few weeks ago. That blender is giving and it is still giving. I'll put the link to that blender as well. So when you open this very cute box, you will find this orange envelope. Guys, this envelope is so cute. Like, it is so cute. Inside this envelope you will find the air fryer manual and a recipe book. This recipe book contains 17 air fryer recipes. I will show you guys later in this video. When you open up this folder, you will find this cushion. Guys, I love the fact that this brand takes out time to secure the product safe inside the box. I love those cushion covers. It ensures that your item arrives safely and not damaged or broken. This Topzee air fryer came in color black. It has a capacity of 11 quarts and a wattage of 1700. The design of this air fryer is giving robots. It looks like a robot and I so much love that design. It is very simple yet very luxurious. This is the power cord. It is long enough to go into your power outlet. When you open up this basket, you will find some accessories. So over here is the air fryer divider. This divides the basket into two chambers, enabling you to have both the left and the right chamber or sides. This is the removable crisper tray. You place this before you start using the air fryer. This air fryer has a dual heating element and this ensures that your food cooks evenly. The removable crisper tray has this hole that makes it easy to just bring it up and to place it back in the chamber. And this is the divider, and with this you can use this air fryer as a dual air fryer. I love the sleek design. It is very simple and will fit nicely in the space I have for it in my kitchen. It has a non-slip bottom which ensures it stays steady on your counter without moving around. Now, before we make use of this air fryer, let's wash this basket. This basket has a non-stick coating and it makes it very easy to be cleaned after each use. So I used some warm water and soap, and after that I pat it dry with a paper towel. Now when you plug this air fryer in, the digital display will come on. It has the air fry button: roast, broil, bake, reheat, dehydrate, french fries. You can use the left basket or the right basket or both baskets at the same time. You can also adjust the time and the temperature. Now let's go ahead and make some yummy food in this air fryer. Over here is my chicken wings. I'm going to marinate this very soon. And here I have some Idaho potatoes we're going to use for our french fries. This day's lunch was eating out, but then eating out at home and in a healthy manner. I went ahead to cut these potatoes into sticks and I transferred everything into a bowl. I seasoned with sea salt. I added some white pepper and a sprinkle of olive oil. Then I mixed everything together. Now for the chicken wings, I seasoned with some soya pepper. Soya pepper is a local seasoning. It has some peanut powder. It has some other local spicy seasonings inside it. I just sprinkled it with some olive oil and some Knorr seasoning and I rubbed it into the chicken. If you have excess time, you can leave it to marinate for some time. If not, just go ahead and transfer into the air fryer. I transferred the chicken wings into the right basket or into the right side of this air fryer, and into the left side I poured the potatoes. As a very busy mom, this air fryer is a game changer for me because it saves time for me and it also saves energy. It cuts my cooking time into half because the time I would have used to cook all this differently, now I'm cooking them at the same time. Now to make this, just press the power button, select the left basket, select french fries, then go over to the right side of the basket and select roast or whatever option you want, and then hit on start and everything will just start cooking. It is so easy to operate. Even for novice, they'll find it very easy to navigate. While the food is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the recipe books and the very cool, easy to follow recipes in this book. You don't even have any reason not to eat healthy this year, okay? See, Topzee got you covered. When you get this air fryer, you want to get this recipe book and you can follow the steps and make yourself delicious healthy food. The link to this air fryer will be in my description box with some discount code. Don't miss this opportunity, guys. I love roasted corn so much, so when I found this I was so excited. I can't wait to make myself some roasted corn during summer of this year. I'm so excited for the things I can do in this air fryer. While I was busy going through the recipe books, the air fryer started beeping and it wrote SHE, which means I should shake the basket so that the food can cook evenly. I did that and I placed the basket back to continue cooking. Now this is all done and look at what we have here, guys. Look at how very crispy this is looking. Look at that french fries. Look at those chicken wings. So crispy. I went ahead to remove them from the basket. Then I also removed the divider and I poured in the remaining potatoes and I used a full basket setting. Remember I told you guys that you can either use this air fryer as a dual air fryer or just a single air fryer. So for the single air fryer, just select full basket, then I selected french fries and I hit on start and everything just started cooking. Guys, this looks so good, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and portion this out for everyone because at this point they were all waiting for me to finish. This is like bringing the restaurant to your own kitchen. This is more cheap and it is healthy because we did not fry anything in oil. If you are looking into buying an air fryer or gifting someone an air fryer, you can try out this brand. I recommend it. I've been making different dishes in it since I got it and it always comes out so good. The link and discount code will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.